Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to set up the environment for the robot framework. And for that, we need Python, Pip, and robot framework itself. And these instructions are for Windows users only. So this is the official Python page, python.org/downloads/. And when you open it, you can download the latest version of Python by clicking this button. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. So when the download is done, you just double click Python and then the installer pops up. Next thing is to check, please remember to check the add python.exe to path checkbox so that we can run Python in the command line. So you check it and now you can click install, then yes, and then we sit through the installation process. And the good thing is that pip also comes installed, so you do not have to install it separately. When you install Python, pip is also installed. It comes right out of the box with Python. So it is still installing. We wait until it finishes installing. Yes, so that's finished installing. So it says setup was successful. So we can just close the window and go to your command prompt. From there, we can check the version of Python installed by typing python dash dash version and hitting the enter key. So we have the Python 3.1.2. So we can check if it's actually working. So Python and enter. Then we can write any mathematical problem here. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we can also check hello world. Enter. Yes, so Python is installed. We can now exit by using the Control Z and hitting the enter key. Yes. So now we can check if pip was actually also installed or not. So pip dash dash version. Yes, so that is the pip version that was installed when Python was also installed. So now we need to install robot framework itself. So the command is pip install robot framework and enter. Yes, so it is installing. The installation is done. So we can now check if it was installed by using robot version. Then tells us we installed the version 6.0.2. Now we need to install the Selenium library as well, since it also has some keywords we are going to use. So we need to install that as well. So pip install robot framework dash Selenium library and enter. Yes, so it is also installing. Still installing. Yes, now it is done. So we can use a pip show robot framework Selenium library. Oops, typo. Yes, so this is the version that was installed. So Python has been installed and pip has also been installed. In case you forgot to click the add python.exe to the path during the Python installation, there is another way you can do it. So first and foremost, open this PC or my computer by hitting the Windows key and the E. It opens your computer, and then this computer, you go to this computer and go to local disk and go to users and then your own name and then app data. But by default, the app data is a hidden folder. So go to view and show hidden items. So this is the app data folder for those using Windows 10 and less. So you have to click view, go to options and view again, and then you check the show hidden files. By default, it's don't show hidden files, so you have to check the show hidden files. So the app data folder is visible. Then apply and OK. So that will make the app data folder visible. So now we double click the app data folder, double click local, and we go to programs. Now you see the Python folder. So double click that as well. Python 311, double click. And then we have the scripts. We need a path of that one. So double click that one as well. And then all we have to do is come to the search box here and just click and copy, Control C and copy. So we need to add this path to our environment variables so we can run Python commands in the command line. So next, we need to navigate to the environment variables. So by clicking the Windows key, or you can click the start button. So you click the Windows key and then start typing environment. Yeah, so you should see edit the system environment variables. So you click on that. It takes you to the advanced tab. Just navigate to the environment variables. Click it, and you see from here, you see the path variable. So you just double click it. And then, but I added the Python to the environment variables already. So that's why these are at the top. It navigates to the scripts and navigates to the Python 311 folder. So if you don't have these, you just click the new button here and paste what you just copied and create another one and paste, but remove the scripts. So we have these two matching these as well. So, but I'm going to delete these ones because I already have them attached to the variable. So I'll delete it by clicking delete and delete again, and then OK, OK, and OK. So after that, Python should be used or can be used in the command prompt. Yes. So if you do not add the Python to the path during the installation, then this will not work. Just typing the Python and entering will not work. And after adding it to the path, you have to close all the command lines that are open. So when you open it back again, it refreshes. So the command prompt knows where to find Python. So in case you had the prompt already open before adding the path to the environment variable, then you have to close the command prompt, open it again, and type Python. Yeah, so if you see this, then Python was successfully installed. So in the next video, we are going to install an IDE for writing our test cases. Thank you and see you there.